So we're obviously approaching the deadline for this build. Uh, it's not going to be completely finished, but it's going to be close. I got a couple of things to take care of. But generally speaking, it's pretty much all there. I have to do the electronics, set up the lights. Well, I still have a few things to do. But all in all, I think it looks pretty good. Functionality wise, it seems to be all there, aside from the servo, which I haven't connected yet because I don't have to go through my links and see what I can put together for it. So let's go over it, shall we? So this truck was basically made from a Blackfoot body and an m02L chassis. I 3D printed this whole skirt. The grill lights were cut out. These are high power LEDs, 12 volts. These little lights here were 3D printed. The mirrors are also 3D printed. They have a reflective surface, as you can see. That's that's this stuff here, a liquid chrome. You've got your driver and passenger, full interior. Missing some legs, but that can't be helped. Back wing is printed. Tailgate is also printed. We've got the OZ Tamiya racing wheels. I'm still waiting for the TG10 axles to bring this wheel out. The front wheel, I'm going to invert it like the back wheel is, because the back wheel is a bit deeper. So I'm going to invert this. This should fix the get this fluff out of here. This should fix the distance for the front wheel. I still haven't cleaned out the inside to clear the wheel. So all the wiring is actually done for all the lighting. The backlight box for the Blackfoot light. You turn this off. I think we can disconnect it for now. I made this battery. It's basically made of 18650 cells. It doesn't seem to have a lot of power, but they're not really designed to put out power for RC motors and that. I'm going to have to get a 3S battery that works properly and that fits in place. I'm using a Radio Link RC4GS with its respective receiver. A 1060 ESC. I switched back to the silver can because I didn't want it to be too strong. As you can see, my servo isn't connected yet, and I still have to glue basically the front body mounts. They're just on like that for now, as you can see here. Basically, I'm just gonna figure out about where they're gonna be, put down some epoxy, and then mount the whole body on, make sure it's centered and let it dry that way. And when I take it off, the magnets should stay here with the epoxy. So that's that. Little odds and ends to finish, but I'd say it's pretty much good enough to be judged for the Tamiya build-off. So let me know what you guys think.